Yo, Mr. Boy.
Abaga ikoria mutumia ahuteri oke. Tikwenda kwamba mundu mwenda kuragithia mwana uri ongi. Acokere urire mahitia manja gucoka mwena wanyu rumukirite o.
Muthikiriria na mwirori wa Miaki na TV gwiraga hane ho mucii wigwe wi mucinge tomuru wa Kimani. Riu ni video iria gitambite nenda-ini wega ni ake Bishop Ben ikuria akiugire he horo urendereaga last week muritu gugitemangwo maita maigano na ni mundu umwe wa kuma kanitha-ini wa JCM amumakiri na ndugu yake wendo. Riu Bishop Ben agitariria rauga atiriri mutambite gukijaji undu mwena umwe abagai guthuthuria mwena uyu ungi gitumi kia mundu ucio ekwo guo ni haria nda marakiremirwo kumiriria na rakiona ni wega akireply uhoro uyu tondu rita ria mbere mutumia uria akirengwo ndamana agithire mwana uria wa thibitari gukimurorera na rio njira njega tondu ni mutumia mwenzake. Riu ngwicenda nakenerera uhoro tantari we aragitemagwo aragicokia ta uria nguguthomera arauga atiriri thanks so much my fans, I have received all those videos of the drunkard bishop supporting femicide on the altar. Akiuliza kwa nini hatujarudi hospitali Murang'a guthie thibitari thaa ici niki. Just because I visited Shiku on Sunday, it's a bother and a topic in the altar. Shame on you. When even the president is fighting against GBV, you are there shouting nonsense and proving how your chairman is holy after attacking the lady 18 times. How bitter are you? Do you have a daughter? When will you heal and move on with your ministry without attacking people at a personal level? May God help you heal your wounds so that you will start preaching without attacking people on the altar. The work of the altar is to preach and not a place of personal revenge and anger outpour. Uremwo ni kuhunjia ukaja unywe njohi utehithite anga akirekia ndumiriri ritu muno kinyendere guthomera auga we nacio makurigiceirie ndamuhunia njohi ya nyama miaka 2 gwakwa mucii mwahuna uramenya munumage guku uria mukwenda ndimukiriire ndamukania. Iyo ni ndumiriri ndama akirekia kurekia maoni magituika maingi muno withomere haria maoni maku no kuma video no comment ho no tuke wa gucemia kina Nebe TV.